So the only person other than the landlord who could tell us what happened in that house was the watchman. Hi everyone, this is Shruti and welcome back to the Real Radio. This is the third and the last part of the Haunted Banswara apartment series. Till now I have already told you guys everything that was happening in the house, everything that we were experiencing, from knocking to the voice of a child crying, to the tapping sounds, to things missing, things disappearing and suddenly reappearing, and the shadowy figure that I saw and that Akansha saw in the beginning. Apart from all of this, we were also seeing apparitions everywhere. Like from the corner of our eyes, we could just see somebody standing or something just moving, like a shadowy figure or like a white figure. Sometimes it was black and dark, sometimes it was white. And all four of us were seeing this, and we really wanted some answers. So we went to the watchman. Now this watchman was a local Wagad Rajasthani person. He was a watchman, he was like a caretaker of the building, he was like a multi-purpose man. He also used to iron clothes, also provide like the drinking water cans. So he really knew the building and everything and everybody. We went to him one day and asked him कि भैया हमसे पहले यहाँ पे कौन रहता था. And he told us that before us, a family lived there. The husband worked at a bank, there was the wife, and there was a 12 से 13 साल का एक लड़का था उनका. And I asked him कि लड़का ठीक था, like सब कुछ ठीक था वहाँ पे. He said they were like, and he said कि लड़के की तबीयत थोड़ी गड़बड़ रहती थी और कोविड के टाइम पे उस लड़के की तबीयत थोड़ी और बिगड़ गई. फिर कुछ दिन बाद ये लोग कोविड के दौरान ही इन लोगों ने घर छोड़ के ये लोग चले गए वापस. Well, that was a piece of information, that was something. And don't get me wrong, we were all hoping, we just looked at each other and we knew what we were thinking. We were hoping, obviously, we hoped for the child to be healthy and like well wherever he was. But that piece of information really, gave us something to think about. Thinking maybe the watchman gave us the answers to the questions we were looking for. And then he just asked us, the watchman asked कि क्यों आप लोग क्यों पूछ रहे हो. फिर हिमाली just said clearly that हमें अपार्टमेंट में डर लग रहा है, we are seeing things, चीज़ें गायब हो जा रही हैं, हमें कुछ कुछ सुनाई देता है. And the watchman just listened to us. He did not doubt us, he did not ask us any further question, he did not even like laugh at us, nothing. He just told us, ठीक है आप लोग ऊपर जाइए मैं आता हूँ. That's what he said. And then we went upstairs, we were waiting for him in anticipation, and he comes with a handful of rye. So he had rye in his hand and he told us कि मैं इस मंत्र पढ़ के इस राई को पूरे घर में घुमाऊँगा और चला जाऊँगा बाहर. जब मैं चला जाऊँ, जब मैं निकल जाऊँ, उसके बाद आप लोग गेट बंद कर दीजिएगा और किसी के लिए भी 1 घंटे तक गेट नहीं खोलना है और मुझे इंटरप्ट भी नहीं करना. डो नॉट इंटरप्ट मी एंड जस्ट शट द डोर आफ्टर आई लीव. एंड दैट्स व्हाट ही डिड. सो ही हैड राई एंड देन ही वेंट अराउंड द हाउस, वेंट अराउंड द होल. सारे दीवार पे उसने राई घुमाई, कुछ मंत्र पढ़ रहा था वागड़ में अपने लोकल लैंग्वेज में. And he went out and we shut the door. Now let me tell you the layout of the flat, okay? The layout of the flat was such that the main door was in the hall and the kitchen was right next to the hall, and there was a window in the kitchen, and there was also a window right next to the main gate, the main door, okay? This is the main door. I'm so bad at explaining architectural features, but please excuse. This is the small window right next to the main door. There's a divider, obviously there's a wall, and then there's a kitchen here and there's a window here. Both the main door, the small window and the kitchen window open to the corridor, and our apartment flat was the last in the line. There was no flat next, like left to ours. So after he left, all of us went to the kitchen and we were just discussing कि भैया भी गए हैं ऐसा ऐसा कुछ. We heard like knocking on the kitchen window. We heard knocking on the kitchen window, and just immediately followed by knocking on the main door. And before we could even wrap our head around what we just heard, our friend dear Akansha starts running towards the main door कि ओ भैया शायद कुछ भूल गए होंगे, या ओ she said something like भैया शायद वापस आ गए. She started running to the main door and we followed her. We stopped her before she could open and we were like भैया ने क्या कहा था कि जब वो चले जाए वापस हमें 1 घंटे के लिए किसी के लिए भी दरवाज़ा नहीं खोलना है. And they were like हाँ. And then again we heard 3 knocks on the main door. And as soon as we heard the 3 knocks on the main door, immediately Joyita and I looked through that window to see who it was. Obviously there was nobody. And just to like repeat everything, as soon as we heard the knock, our first instinct was to see who it was. Vanished completely, flew. There was nobody. And then we just knew that whoever it was that went with Bhaiya outside, tried coming back. Thankfully, we did not hear anything for the next 2 months. Things were very smooth, things were easy going. We were not hearing anything, we were not seeing anything happened. But we also started praying a lot during these 2 months. We started, chanting Hanuman Chalisa, playing Hanuman Chalisa daily. We started praying. बट जब थिंग्स थोड़े नॉर्मल हो गए तो हमारा थोड़ा वो प्रेयर्स एंड एवरीथिंग वो भी थोड़ा सा कम होते गया. बट देन वन डे एज वी वर हैविंग डिनर, ऑल 3 of us were having dinner in Joyita's room, we heard शीशे टूटने की आवाज़, बहुत ज़्यादा शीशे टूटने की आवाज़ from the dressing room. Now there was this one room that we had just made a dressing room. We had like our कपड़े, मेरे और आकांक्षा के कपड़े थे उसमें, और लाइक तैयार होने के लिए वी हैड मिरर्स एंड लाइक मेकअप स्टफ देयर. वी हर्ड शीशे टूटने की आवाज़. वी जस्ट रैन टू द रूम एंड वी सॉ दैट द 2 mirrors that we had on different walls basically of the room, वो टूटे हुए हैं, वो गिर के टूटे हुए हैं. नाउ देयर वाज नो वे कि हवा से वो टूट जाए बिकॉज विंडोज़ वर शट. कहीं से इतनी तेज़ हवा आई नहीं, कोई देयर इज़ नो विंड ब्लोइंग इनसाइड द रूम. Fans are off, there's no way. And like what coincidence कि दोनों mirrors same time पे नीचे टूट के गिरे. So one Saturday we were on a break. It was दोपहर का time and only Joyita and I were in the house. Joyita was in her room working on her laptop. I was in the dressing room and she came running to me. And I could see this terrified look on her face. She was so scared. And I asked, क्या हुआ? That as she was working on her laptop, from her peripheral vision, a short, dark, shadowy figure peeping from the door of her room. उसने बोला कि उसने पहली बार देखा. She ignored it because she was like कि चलो कुछ आँखों का धोखा होगा, because she is not even directly looking, but it was just like a peripheral vision. But she saw it peeping again and this time वो और ज़्यादा पीप कर रहा था, झाँक रहा था वो दरवाजे से, उसके मेन डोर से, उसके कमरे के डोर से. And my goodness, both of us lost our shit. We took our phones and we just left the house. We were so scared. And mind you, Joyita was one of those that story के beginning में I had told you all कि Joyita did not believe in all of these stuff, did not believe in ghost, bhoot, भगवान, even like nothing. And all of this coming from her, like, उसके बाद we were like कि whoever this thing is, this is a child's ghost or whatever this thing is, it's now back in the house. And the only way out we could see was leaving that flat. And thankfully we were very grateful. We were so grateful and we were so lucky to find an empty apartment हमारे second floor पे. तो same building में second floor. Our landlord was the same. He owned that flat too. But like we shifted there. And thankfully nothing of that sort happened in the new apartment that we shifted to. everything was good. We did not hear any tapping, we were not seeing any apparitions, we were not seeing any dark shadowy figure. So anything of that sort did not happen in the new apartment. And yeah, so that is our haunted Banswara apartment series. Hope you all enjoyed it, liked it. It's 100% true story. All the names are true, are real. I have not even used any pseudonym. Here is a picture of all of us. Yeah, so please like, subscribe, share the video, and stay tuned for more videos of real scary hauntings, real story time video. Bye bye guys, bye.